And we're live. Well, not live, but recording has started on the 5th episode of my Dyson Sphere program Let's Play. I recall that some of the stuff that was an issue last time was that all of these belts are not placed in a way where we can even expand at all. Like, I think that something that needs to happen is that, okay, if this belt goes like this, here, then this belt actually needs to, well, all I know is that eventually, down here somewhere, I want this to be how we do it. And that's 5, 6, 6, 7. That's not even enough. This is. Why not just go like this and down here, right? Lack of item. Well, that's fine. We're not automatically making belts yet, but I'll try to do that using all these things here. But for now, we haven't even spread these things out. Was it F? Yeah, it was F. And I need belts.
Insufficient materials.
Not at all enough. Well, alright. Give me some of these guys. Yeah, that's not enough. So escape. And then it's these guys that we need. Oh, and because we're making them here. And we're filling up. As far as I can tell. You know what I should be doing? I should expand these. So that is an arc smelter. So can I just... That's this guy, right? And I can't do that because I don't have these plates. Well, let me take what we have. Right? Arc smelter. Wait, what? Just 1, 2. Huh? No, that's I want... How did I copy? Oh, blueprint copy mode. I think that's a thing to explore later. But I don't recall how I did it. Was it 5? Just because that's where I would place an arc smelter, but that's not what I really wanted to do. I wanted to actually, you know, copy the thing. Did I build some belts by accident? I think I did. Oh, here's 15 more. That's fine. That's fine. Okay. Right. And then here's a belt that needs to go here. And there's a belt that needs to go here. Only other thing we need is... Oh, we need a recipe. Before we do anything else. Shift. Ah. And I can build on top of another machine. It's very convenient. Oh, that gives me the input-output as well. Okay, that's really good to know, actually. I was surprised. But I was thankful. Okay, give me 99. There we go. Alright, now we can overstuff all this. Well, especially since we're not producing anything at all right now. Oh, and the whole point was that now 1, 2, 3, 4, something like that. That's gonna give me some belts for the foreseeable future. Alright, we're cooking.
Replication complete.
I'm just now realizing that one of the reasons you would want one of the reasons you would want to have some factory do this
Your
for
home
you.
base has grown. Now you can click the Statistics panel button at the bottom right corner of the screen to view statistics,
I'm happy.
including the production and consumption of each item and power data. This data can help you manage your home base.
I am sure it can. Alright, what do we want to do? Belts, right? How are we making those? It's a little bit complicated, but not the worst. And the way we did it over here was, you know, like this. What a troublesome setup. So say that I want to have a fabricator. So machine. I would assume that it's there. I don't have them as it is, right? No, I don't think so. It's just a try. So I want to make some stuff right here. Okay. And let's actually also say depot products. Limited capacity, but it's fine. Here we go. Escape. Well, that's the depot. Right. Here. Okay. And clearly we need power as well. Was that a Tesla tower? F1. Yeah, I think it was. Connect that over here. Great. And I want to make conveyors. Okay. So, traffic monitor. No.
Insufficient materials.
Why? That's just because I need to do this, right? You should be enough. F8. And that's actually a bit annoying, but whatever. F8. Ah, yeah, look at that. Does it wave in a funny way? Yeah, but does that matter? No. And then here. What I can do here is that I can place... Yeah, I'm happy with that. It will connect up a bit better later. Huh? Like a item. Okay, that's fair. That's fair. That's fair. And this is the last round we're doing. 30 should be enough. I'd wager. Not 100% sure, right? But...
Replication complete.
And then... Yeah, say we stop it here. Okay. Is that too close? I hope it isn't. Sorter Mark 1. Oh, that makes me 5. Yeah, whatever. Put that in here. Put that in there. And then middle mouse click and put that in there. Right? We're cooking. Yes. And I think a limit of 2 spaces for this is completely fine. Okay. So this system here works. It's really, really spaced out, but I don't think that matters. Well, we're in a circular world, and it's not infinite, but I hope we can make do. What sort of fuel stuff do we have? We have this. and a little bit of ammo. I can add more. Okay. That's good. That's good. That's good. Yeah, so we're automatically making that stuff. And nothing... I mean, if this is here, it's meant to just be, you know... Can I filter this?
Abnormal dark fog signals detected. A significant statistical correlation exists between the density of these signals and our power consumption. On this planet, dark fog is monitoring our energy fluctuations to determine how much threat we pose to them. When this threat peaks, they may launch an attack. The upper left corner of the screen shows the cumulative threat to each hive.
Okay, I think I get that. And that. And this is just the opposite side of our world, isn't it? Map view. Yeah, it's right here. 30% threat. And this one up here, that is, yeah, what's that? Somewhere on a different planet, okay? That feels way above my pay grade at this time. Electric motor. That's a one-time research, right? We shouldn't be making these small things. So, why don't I grab some belts? Actually, one more question. How does it work when you want to make these guys? What are they made from? Circuit boards. Oh, and that's an engine thing, but we can make that, right? Like, say I want to bring out circuit. These are circuit boards, right? Funny. What? Oh, I'm flying because it's water. Wait. That means, if I'm not mistaken, that... depot, it's just a splitter. Give me one. Just one. I just want to try. Okay, colliding with another object. That's fine, that's fine. But then, yeah, let me dismantle that. Press X, press 3, press F8. Alright. Foundation required. That's good to know. So how would I do that? Upgrade facilities. No. Blueprint. Cosmo. No. Transportation. Environmental modification. Well. That is quite interesting. Okay, so belts can, but the rest of the stuff cannot. Wait, I just want to... How did I go down? Why am I not allowed to do that anymore? Can I not just do this and then... Right. And then do this? Okay, it shouldn't matter, but that was a bit annoying. Anyway, good to be aware that depots are a thing and that you can't... Oh, I just messed it up again, didn't I? Anyway, I want to put here. Escape and give me some belts. Why is it that pedantic? Because here I can build this belt. And also, if I remove that and that, there's nothing stopping me from going like this. I think I want to go online and check out if people are saying that this system here is a little bit finicky or something. Yeah, we have to go up here anyway. And if you say lack of item, you know what I say? Oh, that's a ton. Put that on 1 and then unfilter this. Give me the whole stack then. Oh, that's great. That's exactly what I wanted. Hmm? Yeah. Great. And then these guys can just do a little jump over, right? I didn't want to destroy it. Yeah. Yeah, it's a little bit weird, this curves around, but it's fine, it's fine. And 3 belts is the max, as far as I can tell. Okay. What a peculiar game. I think I still have a lot to learn. Good. What I really wanted was another assembler, right? And another storage. And probably, like, how many of these do I have? These are Mark IIs, but then built me. Oh, I guess I'm building 5 more. Yeah, now I have, okay, 8. That's plenty. And actually, if I'm not completely wrong, what I could be doing is actually to go like this. And recipe is first order, right? And then I want to make all the belts go along, even though I don't need all of the resources for this particular machine. That's completely on purpose. So we need iron and we need these guys, right? Yeah. And then, okay, so look. 2. Filter for that. Yes. Ha 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 ha. Grand. How do you make these guys then? Oh, that's perfect. That's what I have. Yeah. It's gonna be a little cramped here. I'm thinking we're fine, but for now, at any rate. Now I need more power. Over there, something? That's fine. See, that's why I brought the belts, because now I need all belts. Anyway. And this, and am I correct in assuming that yes, they won't be putting anything in unless you actually set a recipe. Great. And now, unfortunately, I do need a belt. And I want this to go around and go like this. Right? Filter for that. Yes. Yes. And we can't stack like a ton of items here, right? That's the whole point, I would imagine. Okay. See, this is really grand. I mean, there's a picture here, but I have all the built stuff in this depot. And that's gonna help me to expand and build even more. How about those engines? Are those a building material over here? Yeah, they are. Yeah, let's research. And just iron now. Oh, we're spewing out here. Which is good, right? And the reason we're spewing out is multiple things, I can tell. I wonder how much these things can stack, because this is just for me to pick up the resources I need. No. I'm working too carefully about this whole game if I'm thinking that I need to limit how much I'm sending out. Oh, I shouldn't, right? I shouldn't. Let me have a little drink. If something is moving too slow, just overproduce. Seems like right now we are only just keeping up. I could just add one more arc thingy here and say, no, I can't because I don't have the iron. No, I do. Let me add 2 over here. Shift copy. Right? No, that is going to be this guy. Actually, before we do. And even more, actually. Why didn't I just build it? Yeah, it did. Oh, but I'm using these sorters. Right. Well, guess what I have? Right over here. Sure.
The sorter is a connector that moves items between facilities. Simply bridge from a supplier facility to a receiver facility. Then the sorter will automatically transport the items.
I didn't want to pause there. That was an accident. Okay. Yeah. Here. Okay, we're making enough iron, finally. I would expect me to have a problem even delivering digging materials. Oh yeah, there's the creep. Maybe it's fine. We're already out of fuel, man. Okay. But there's no way soon that we can't just stuff this full. Right? Well, hard to say. Okay. And now we're auto crafting, and I think it's a very good strategy of mine. If all this stuff here that I automate as much as possible, Instead, I shouldn't be making these guys here, right? Oh, and that made from stone. Did we bring that here? This is made not from... Oh, I can make those right here. That's good. These are a little bit more tough. And these mining machines. That's a rare thing. Maybe I shouldn't just... A depot. I need stone. But maybe I actually do have stone. Yeah, that's here. Okay. Yeah, so we could bring out, you know, another line down there. And work it that way. Hmm. Okay, 300 belts, 50 of these, and then I'm guessing 200. Could also be 300 of these, actually. I just tried to hold control, holding some key, and then scrolling to see if I could limit this, but I don't think I can. Not that way, if possible. And I can only make 2 of these, because what? I have plenty of rings. I'm lacking iron. Well, we're making that now, right? That was the whole point now. You should have been stocking up. Yeah, because of course only the machines at the end are gonna even make iron. And now this guy here is gonna be lacking iron yet again. With that said though, yeah, I can make 5, 10, 20, 30. Great. So now we're researching, and that was, what was this? T. We were researching. We're researching move speed. Oh, that's nice. But okay. Well, good to get it over with. Inventory. It's annoying to have to research with the items you have. Okay, so stuff is happening, and we are.
Replication complete. Upgrade complete.
There we go. Now these guys kick in again, because now they're making cubes, and now these guys are researching, and we're not providing enough power. Okay, and that's fine, and that can just sit there and cook. And what we are doing, that was the. Can I please see it? Yeah, here. And that is a what? Battlefield analysis space. The core for battlefield controlling with powerful real-time battlefield analysis and command capabilities. Self-equipped fighters can be dispatched for base defense. A destroyed building will automatically be marked with a hologram. Construction drones will then be dispatched for building and repair. To provide support on the battlefield. A battlefield analysis space can also collect enemy debris for analysis and acquire useful intelligence and resources. Well, that all of this just sounds completely amazing. So, sure, let us get that. Number of ground squadrons, number of squad slots for precision drone. Let me pause while I'm here. Actually, this looks like the bottom of some Kerbal Space Program tree. I think we need steel soon enough. Oh, combustible units. As a fuel, it can efficiently combust and generate enormous energy, while as an explosive component, it can be used to craft shells and explosive units. It's made from hard to see, but that would mean I could make it. Crystal smelting. Amazing. Solar collection. Isn't that pretty neat? But I need smelting if I can do that. Hmm. Yeah, because I can see the second ingredient here of the solar panels are made from something that smelting lets me do. We're already doing wind energy, but maybe that's really bad. It's the early technology, right? Semiconductor material. I'm look. Something that's a little bit annoying with these things is that okay, semiconductors is a submaterial like this, okay, and that's fine. Um, except I don't want. No one wants semiconductors. What we want is, spray coater, proliferator, processor. And again, no one wants processors. What we want is an assembling machine, right? That sounds like a thing. With significantly improved production speed, items can be produced more quickly. Maybe that's just what this research tree is. It's big, right? But it is maybe not as big as you might think at first, because once you I played Factorial, and I think that game to a lesser degree had all kinds of technologies that just lets you make an intermediate product. Like I can't build turbines on water. That's actually good. So steel has a special use, but I would imagine that these other parts don't. But of course, I actually could be wrong. Like, okay, fluid storage tank. Maybe that's good. I don't know what I want fluids for. Water pump. Um, basic chemical engineering. Plasma extract refining. Huh. Wild stuff. And what's that? Hmm. And we're making that. Okay. I am thinking that it's a good idea at this stage to also have one more of these guys. We need a separate depot for it. But say I put this here, and then I change the recipe into this guy. I deliberately didn't put belts here. And also, I think it stopped just short of building all the things I wanted, or commanded it to do, and that's fine because I actually didn't want it to do that. Yeah, there's no inputter things here. Did we have a depot? No, we haven't. We definitely haven't done that. Oh, we have it actually. Yeah, so put that here. That's too short actually. But and let me build it again right here. And now 3 and F4. We needed all items, right? I kind of recall that. Isn't that what we want? So, what is the issue here? Dismantle the sorter. I felt like I did nothing different. One space filter. That's great. Assembling machines making assembly machines. feels like this is quite an important step in the journey to making automatic, well, everything. Man, this is an expensive recipe, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter that this takes time and that it's slow or anything at all, because all that's really required is that it just works. It can just sit there, and over time, over quite some time, it's gonna fabricate. There's gonna be assembling machines. Make use of stack sizes anyway. What are we getting here? We're getting stone. Do I care? Titanium ore. Seems like a random one-off. Well, now... Yeah. Okay, so we're halfway there. Okay. But these cubes, it's exactly to monitor and make warfare, right? That's the next project. Okay. 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 So that's in 5 points, right? These guys are making cubes faster than needed, but I guess then they're not making cubes, they're not spending power.
Research complete.
Alright. Equipped with 12 construction drones, you can always build and repair. You can also deploy combat drones in a base and complete defense missions. Why would we not want one of these? And then we want microcrystalline components. I don't seem to be able to make those. Was that something up here? Yeah. Whew. See, now I want them. Wow. Okay, so that's gonna take a while. I can craft them too, right? Of course, that costs more fuel, but maybe that's actually good. If threat is tied to fuel consumption, or power consumption, is what I was told, then obtain 100 titanium. Well, I guess I did. But if, yeah. If we are tying threat level to power consumption, then if I'm just eating coal, and then getting research done that way, then it's not as bad. Well, now we're just waiting for it. Except, how would that even be made? I would think that it's assembly machines, like over here, that do it. Maybe I should just do it myself to make 1, 2 of those guys. What is this? Copper ore. Oh, that was happening down here. Yeah, take that. More stone, titanium. I don't have spare iron ore that I would just like to, you know, not hold on to. I don't think so. Okay. Do I walk faster? Could be that I do. Ugh. early researches I did was exactly about walking faster. Factory statistics panel.
Replication complete.
Eh. Huh. Okay. Great. So you guys will take the last 4 or 5 items, and then I should see that new material appear in here in a second.
Research
There
complete.
we go. So I want those. Again, use the semiconductors to make more complex integrated circuits. Sure, that's what I will do. Make integrated circuits. And I can't do that because why? High purity silicon. What? So that's not iron. I was okay. Bars like flowing up, right? And this stuff here is flowing in the other direction. So I don't have silicon. Wow. Okay, and that was here, right? Man. That was annoying. But a learning experience nonetheless. Clouds here in such are really pretty actually. Is this soon filled up? Yeah, now it is. This guy isn't, but I wonder how much the... Oh, that's a lot. I hope they stack to no more than 50.
Replication complete.
Okay. 40 of them are missing. Could maybe make 5 more, but I did notice that over here I was lacking these guys. Yeah, and this is a funny way of doing it in the beginning, but isn't it ideal? I should actually say that all of this production that we're doing here, it's fine for making my materials and the stuff I can grab and craft with. Oh, suddenly this game is a platformer. Funny. But I shouldn't be researching. I'll do it for now. But I should be making a better and faster research thing because all of this here is fine almost only for handcrafting. Or improved from handcrafting. Can I stand on this too? I can.
Research complete.
Right, and how's that made? So now I can make these. And I can do that. Smelting facility. And is that the same sort of... This is a smelting facility? Okay, so that's an arc smelter that would do this. But, you know, for the time being, I don't think I would mind.
Insufficient materials.
Ah!
Insufficient materials.
Okay, that's fair. It is a high purity silicon ore harvested from mining the silicon veins. So, Is that just something I can find?
Replication
Like
complete.
iron ore? Silicon veins. No, so it says stone. It says stone, that's not silicon. Per se. Is it? Ten stone becomes one. So, okay, does that mean that if I wanted to, arc smelter, give me just one. I just want to see. Then I can, 4, 5. Give me one of these. Would I be able to add this over here? And then also, you know, still have 3. Well, before I... items. No, I can't. What I can do is this. Whew. Wow. Okay, and then arc smelting again? Is that right?
Insufficient materials.
No. I have plenty of materials. Just you believe it. Okay. F4 over here, over there. Right. It's a long way around, but that's how you do it. Ooh, and that's slow. Is that really how you're meant to be doing that? Seems. If not wasteful, then well, it's inconsequential. Should we now route this belt all the way to... What did I care about it for? Okay, I want to make these guys. And... oh!
Insufficient materials.
That's not an easy process. So if I grab 2 more of these... but it's gonna take forever! How much do you need for one? 2. Well, that's 20 stone. Wow. Okay, I have plenty. Except I don't have steel. Wow. Okay. And also, I don't have these guys, do I? Oh, this is getting harder by the minute. Nah, that's not too hard. And what did I need for that? 12 of them. Okay, that's 12. Now steel. I don't see a way around it. You have to do it. Wow.
Replication complete.
Didn't I just add this stuff here? Silly. No, so that's not how I meant to do it. I shouldn't handcraft. It's no problem, and it helped this along a little bit. How's it going with power? Not too well. He's not
Insufficient
terrible,
materials.
but it could be better. Anyway, actually, I think I've been going on for quite a while. And this project of getting ready for the imminent attack, far too imminent, seems like, it's going well. And we'll continue that in another episode. Thanks for watching if you did, and goodbye.